So I moved from the Sunshine City, America's finest city, to America's blizzard. Every time I turn on the news, state of emergency. I've been out here for 3.5 months. We've had 2 blizzards. What is this? This is absurd. My Chihuahua hates this shit. He's not built for this. I'm not built for this. Dude, to get out of my driveway, I had to scrape snow for 45 minutes. And then be motivated to go to the gym. People that live out here are completely built different. They are out there, can't do it. Won't